Today I will be presenting my research proposal topic over student engagement during a global pandemic. The University Career Center provides all services to undergraduate and graduate students as well as alumni. They offer various career services from document critiques, mock interviews, and career assessments, to name a few. The university career staff is comprised of professional career counselors that are trained to help students and alumni from all majors. Here is a short timeline of the pandemic and how it slowly began to impact Texas Tech students. On March 12th, the Texas Tech president implemented proactive measures which stated the extension of spring break and the transition to online instruction. On March 13th, the Career Center announced their decision to cancel the remainder of in-person events and transition their services to online as well. On March 17th, the Texas Tech president announced plans for the remainder of the semester, which stated classes would remain online for the entire semester. Transitioning services virtually created many challenges for the UCC. Traditionally, most of its services were conducted face-to-face. The Career Center had to adapt to this virtual world. Another challenge for the UCC was that students would no longer be returning to campus. The Career Center had to implement new forms of communication with students. With this research, I aim to identify the best practices to implement. This will prove beneficial to the UCC as they can access this data during content planning. This will help increase their engagement across platforms and hopefully increase retention rates. Through extensive research, I found ongoing themes and factors that contribute to successful social media engagement. This study found that trust in community helps users become engaged with it, and lack of trust is a primary reason customers abstain from online brand interaction. Not only is trust critical to establishing successful long-term relationships, but it also increases engagement. This study indicated that trust and commitment formed through brand pages resulted in positive word of mouth. Next is the topic of social influence theory. The social influence theory explains how individuals are influenced by the presence and behaviors of others. Furthermore, the study stated that individuals are assumed to show stronger reactions when others are present. People are more likely to engage with the brand if others are engaging with the brand more positively. This study found that 4 online service features indirectly influence customer engagement. The study demonstrated the importance of quality of content, brand page interactivity, and sociability along with customer interaction. The final study showed distinct effects on social media interactions in terms of promoting active and passive interaction among social media users. Logical appeals in social media have a superior impact. The purpose of the study is to evaluate the UCC social media platforms and determine if transitioning of services virtually impacted the social media engagement. I also want to identify the best tactics that resonate with students. Here are some questions I aim to find. Did transitioning to virtual services increase the UCC's engagement? How can the UCC modify their communication strategies? And what strategies can the UCC implement that will increase their engagement? And what content has proven to be successful thus far? The method chosen for this study was a survey. The survey will consist of different types of questions and statements, including multiple choice questions, true or false statements, and various rating scales. The survey will be conducted on Qualtrics. In order to have the most testable and unbiased research findings, optimizing response rates is essential. A study conducted at BMC Medical found that a number of people recruited may be maximized by pre-issued cash rewards or sending follow-up waves. For this study, participants will be entered in a raffle for a chance to win a $100 Amazon gift card as an incentive. What I hope to accomplish with this research is determine whether or not did transitioning to virtual service have an increase on the UCC's overall social media engagement. I also want to find what types of content perform better on each platform and develop new ways to engage students and market the UCC. With this research, I aim to identify the best practices. Thank you for your time, and don't hesitate to email me with any questions or concerns.